Hey y'all, Phyllis here. I wanted to put this little clip before the main video because I made a mistake on the temperature that I was baking the French fries and the shaved steak. The temperature that I preheated the oven to was 425 degrees, not 325, so please excuse that. Alright, we'll go on with the video now. Hi, I'm Phyllis and my website is southernfrugal.com. Today we're going to have some more of the beef shaved steak. I had to go get more of this. I had to be over close to Walmart for another errand, and so I just decided we're going to have this for lunch again. And of course Mr. Bucky loved it. So we're going to use that. We're also going to use some steamed fresh vegetables. And we're going to have some fries. Now, I'm only going to use probably a third of the pack of the fries. And I got two of these buns, and I've already sliced them in two. These are whole wheat, and they came from Walmart in those little bins where you get your own out, and they're not but 22 cents each. So it's actually cheaper to pick your own out and bag them than it is to buy them when they're already in a bag. I don't know why they do that, but that's the way it is. So it took about 7 minutes to saute some onions and some bell peppers, which are going to go on the sandwiches. And I already got out my Swiss cheese because that's what we're going to use right over here. So we're going to go ahead and get started with this now. I've got my oven preheated to 325 degrees. So first thing we're going to do is pour out some of these French fries. About 1/3 of the pack. These are seasoned fries, and we're going to fix them in the oven. Now the fries are going to cook at the same temperature as the shaved steak, and also these steamers go in the microwave. So we're going to season this meat a little bit this time. We're going to cut that pack open. And by the way, they had a full bin next to the regular steaks at Walmart today. So, all right, so I'm going to cook the whole thing. This is actually 16 ounces. So just dump that out. And it is super fresh, so we'll spread that out. This is just a regular baking sheet. Now last time I made this I used my thinner baking sheet, but this time I decided I was going to use this stainless steel pan has a little bit thicker bottom, so it might take it a little longer to cook, but we will see. So I'm just spreading it out. Yeah, it looks really super fresh. There's a little bit of fat in it, which of course you kind of need for the taste, really. Sliced super, super thin. And I did put just a teeny bit of olive oil on this pan and on the French fry pan. Now what I'm going to use to season it, I've got some teriyaki sauce in here, and then about half water, and I'm just going to gently spray it, mist it just a little bit, because this is really, the sauce is very salty. Alright, so we're going to put these in the oven, and we're going to go ahead and steam these in about 10 minutes, so everything will be done at one time. So again, I'm cooking it this time at 425 degrees. This is going to go on the top rack in my oven, and this is going to go on the bottom. I might switch them before it gets done. Alright, when this gets done, we'll be back. Alright, our meat is done. It's got a little brown on it everywhere. And I'm going to put the little rolls in the oven and just get that cheese melted. Then we're going to put the meat and the peppers on, and probably a little more cheese. Alright, we'll be back. Alright, we got our cheese melted. Oh, there go the vegetables. we got our cheese melted in the oven. It didn't take like 2 minutes in there. So we're going to now pile some of this meat on. Like that. And then we're going to put some more cheese on top. Well, first of all, we got to get our onions and peppers, and I'm going to have to use my hands to get them to stay on there. I want a whole bunch. I mean a whole bunch. Okay, I'm coming. Get all that out. Alright, now we want to put more cheese on. Right on these onions and peppers. Alright, so I'm going to put these back in the oven, let that cheese melt. In the meantime, while it's doing that, I'm going to get the tea fixed and get everything on the plates, and we'll show you what it looks like. We'll be back. Alright, here's the meal. It was ready in about 30 minutes, maybe a little less. It did take about 7 minutes to saute all those onions and peppers. There's the Jello, and this is the peach Jello, and I added some miniature marshmallows to it. There's the fries. Mr. Bucky likes ketchup with his, and there's the mixed vegetables. Now, that pack of vegetables said it serves 4 people, but for us it only serves 2. There's my plate. And of course we've got our iced tea. So let me turn this around and get a thumbnail of it. Alright, y'all, we will see y'all next time. Wait a minute. We've got this much meat left, which will make another type of dish with that tomorrow. Probably one of those pies would work, maybe with some potatoes and carrots in the crust. That's what I'm thinking. Anyway, there's the meal, and we are ready to eat. So we will see y'all next time. Bye for now.